Big thank you for everybody that have been watching my channel. I really appreciate. I just want to do a very quick continuation on how you can actually understand the max to a fantastic way. You can actually max two images together to give you this fantastic look. Now, if you check this image right here, this is how the original image looks like, and we want to get something like this. How are we going to do that? So let me save this the first time so you'll be able to do that. For you to be able to achieve this image, what you want to do is that you want to get two similar image that looks alike so that we can be able to blend the both of them together. The good part about maxing image is that you have to look for two similar image. You just max out the part you want to appear and the other part you leave them right there. Just very easy and very nice for you to go. Okay, I just want to save this. My system is getting slow. So once I save this, we'll be able to do that. Okay, now let's get started with what we do. I'll take out this. Coming over here, this is the second image. Now, if you check this image, I like this background, but I don't like the face. But right here, I like the way he's sitting, and I actually want to flip in over there. The first thing you want to do, Control plus A and Control plus C to copy the image. You copy this image you feel you want to replace to the other background of the other side. So you just hold down your Control and you place down your C. Control C. That's what will help you to copy. The moment you copy that image, you would paste that image at the background here. So you paste the image here so that you want to be able to fit it. Now, once you place that image, we want to check in to see how it looks like. But checking this image, you could see that the face over here looks linked. So I may want to reduce the opacity of this image. So to make it not looks very big, then Control plus T. I actually want to resize the image. What I'm trying to do is trying to fix in this image to fit in to where he is looking at. So I would increase it over here like this. So I'm trying to check the face. You just try to fit it in, not necessary for it to be perfect, but make sure you fit it in very well. Okay, now I can get something like this. Then once you do that, let me increase back the opacity like this. Now I have something like this. Now the next thing I want to do is that I want to take out the other side from that image. So I will just come over to my max tool over here, pick the brush tool, and make sure my foreground color is set to black. So the moment my foreground color is set to black, I will paint over the part I don't want to show. So I can paint over all this part like this. I don't want to, it's going to take them out, replacing it with me. But the most important part we don't want it to show is the face. We need that look of this other guy. So I'll just paint it over here. Just paint this face here so that I can get the other look of the other image. I think my system is getting very slow. Very slow, very slow. Do you know why? It's getting very slow. So sorry, I don't know. Okay, now it's just gone. So sorry about that. I think I need to free up the disk. Now, the moment you paint over there, you could see that some part of this image is appearing now over here like this. But I'm still going to leave this other part of the hand because I like the part of the other hand right there. You paint over the part you want it to be and you leave the other side like that. So if there's a part you did a mistake, just pick your foreground color to black and you set it. Now let's do a relative preview. Check this. This is the original image of this. When we merge it to this, this is what we get. This is what we get. Very fantastic way and fantastic way. So on this other eye, I will actually want to take out that other part. Just change it to black and you paint over the part you don't want it to appear. So you're going to take out those parts. Now I'm good with it like this. I have this and I have that. Now what you have to do is background is, if you change your foreground color, which is this, to black, it will reveal the layer. If you change it to white, it will hide the layer. Fix the two images together and you'll be able to max it. On that note, that is all what I can take for today. If you have any question, drop it on the comment box. If you need me, just send me an email or send me a WhatsApp message. I'll be dropping my link there. I want to say a very big thank you. See you in my next video.